Well, hello folks, thanks for joining us on yet another weekend cycling video from me, Richard. I'm going to be meeting up with loads of local riders. So I'm just on my way to Thilby Hill, which is also in North Lincolnshire. We're all meeting up. On the Facebook group, it said it's typically an 80 to a 100 mile bike ride. So it's an 8 o'clock start and I'm just on my way up Flixborough Hill. So I'm going to turn the camera off in a second, see if we get a new PB up there. Well, no personal best for me this morning. It's too early, breathing was all over the place, I just couldn't control it on the way up. So I was a little bit less than 20 seconds off my fastest time. Well, I've just gone up Draggerby Hill. Although it doesn't breathe fire, it's got a bite to it. Especially when you're not that far into your ride, you're not warmed up yet. It's about 11 or 12% at most. Morning. Hi there, you alright?
Are you waiting for Eddie and that?
I don't know, I'm new to this. New to the group. Hi, Richard, how you doing? Alright?
Alright, yes. Hi, Ren. Jeez, I hope you'll get a puncher.
Why?
Slow him down a bit.
Thanks for your concern. As you can see, I'm by myself again. Probably lasted about 12-15k with that group. They was blowing on really fast. It was a great tailwind though. I managed to get from Winterton to South Oby, bottom of the hill, and then myself and another lad split away. So I stopped with him for a little while longer till Scorby Brook, and we parted ways. So I'm back down to Old Axpace again now, and I'm off to Curtin Garden Centre again, I think. Grab something to eat for breakfast there. Bit of a change of plan. I'm going to head to the Pantry 8020, which is in Misterton, other side of the River Trent through Gainsborough. So that's maybe another 30k away, which is fine. I'll do that. So for the second week in a row, just come to Curtin. I'd like to go to Spa Hill again. Terrible pace last week going up. So see if we can do better this week. I think when I cross over the main bridge in Gainsborough, I'm going to there's a trail along the right side, which I'm going to try taking. Brings you out in Beckenham. Stays off the dual carriageway. Let's see what that's like. Just come along the path, so that was a much better alternative route. So now I'm on my way to try and find the pantry in Misterton. Not entirely sure what road it's on, but Misterton is a tiny place, so have to go around circles a couple of times. No big deal. Definitely ready for something to eat. Well, there you go, as you just saw, I had a really nice meal here at the pantry in Nottinghamshire, which is just outside Gainsborough. Really nice treat. I normally have that. I usually have a bacon butty or something like that and a coffee, but a nice latte was really nice. So, yeah, nice easy ride back. Well, there you go, there's my new rear derailleur and new cassette as well. Look at that. It's never been so clean. New chain on there as well. So, spent a lot of money on the bike in the last 2-3 weeks. Coming back into the Isle of Axholme. I was hoping to go down Tyndale Bank Road, but they've still got signs up saying road's closed, so I have to go through Haxey, I think, before we turn onto Idle Bank and heading straight north. So today's ride's been quite mixed really. From this morning, going out with the group in Scunthorpe, much faster than I was. Gave him a good shot though, that's the main thing. It's nice to speak with those local lads, however brief. And one of the riders, whose name was Adi, 74 years old apparently, he was flying around at 20 plus miles an hour. Wow. Lots of respect for somebody at that age who can, you know, get on a bike and, well, not just get on a bike, but can actually average well above 20 miles per hour. It's impressive stuff. I mustn't forget tomorrow that it's the Cheshire Cat Sportive. If you've not got anything planned, watch my video on, it'll probably be Monday by the time I've edited it all together. You'll see how it went. As for this one, I hope you enjoyed watching. As always, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's great to have you on board. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your weekend.